In this video, I'll talk about real truth of make money online. Hi, my name is Sagar. I'm an internet marketer. I've been doing this online marketing since last 2 years, and I would like to bring this topic. The reason being, I've been getting this one message that I wanted to make money. Please help me. I don't have money. I please help me. These things, and this is not just 1 month, 2 months. It's been last 7 8 months I've been getting this one message. I'm literally sometime I had to say no, I have to give them paths, but I want to create a video so that it will go to masses. Okay, so I would like to share real truth. The questions I'm getting. Okay, Sagar, tell me the secret to make money online fast. I'll tell you there is no secret. Another questions. Somebody told me that you can make money without working. I say what? This is not possible. Somebody told me, Sagar, you can make money by buying a course, just buying a course. This is not true. After buying course, you will get direction, you will get mentorship, you will get support of right direction. That course might help you to save some time. Okay, because in internet there are a lot of information. There is a no structured way, but the course will give you the path, but you have to take action. People think that okay, I'll invest this much money, my work is done. Now help me to make money. This is not possible. Okay, last one. So this is a common question I've been getting. If you have any questions, you got any questions, then please let me know in the comment box what type of questions you get. Or if you are watching someone who's been already thinking like this will happen, this is not the real truth. Okay, I'll tell you the solution. Okay, the solution is something, uh, as per my experience from last 2 years. Let me give you quick hypothetical example. You want to take money, definitely you need customers. Let's say you start something, let's suppose freelancing you start. Okay, now I'll give you hundreds clients the day number one. I'll give you, you don't have to go for it. What will happen? You get money, okay, but after that, what? Can you able to deliver those projects? Not possible, right? The real truth is you have to make yourself capable of not just making money, of delivering the value. Money is not just making money. Money is the exchange of value that you are doing. Actually, you are delivering to your audience. And when they will buy, customer will buy the moment when they feel that whatever value you are giving to them is very much lesser than the price they are giving to you. You got my point? I'll repeat again. The value should be much higher than the price they are paying you, at least 10x. If you are charging, let's suppose $100 or 10,000 rupees, you have to give $1,000 or 1 lakh rupees in Indian currency. That should be the level of transaction will happen. That is the thing. Now, what are the 3 steps? The first steps, I am actually, the context is here is more of digital marketing areas, because I've been into digital marketing and I get a lot of queries in terms of digital marketing. First, building a skill, building on digital marketing skill that will help you to give that value to you or solve some problem, some business problem, so that you can make money. What kind of skills? It can be Facebook ads, it can be social media management, it can be web designing, or nowadays people are working on funnel designing, funnel building, uh, or two things are almost same. And these are the things that you can do. There are a lot of things, but maybe copywriting is one skill. Now, once you build this skill, you deserve to get clients. That okay. Once you build the skills, let's say you learn how to do Facebook ads, then you start looking for a clients. Okay. Once you looking for clients, for that you need the second step, that is building an audience. So you have to have some people so that they can trust you, like you, and maybe they can get on a call with you and they will approach you for, maybe you will approach to them for that. So for that you need to learn how to actually generate leads, how to build your audience, so that they, let's suppose you are selling any freelancing services. For that, maybe outreach, maybe you have to position yourself as a that particular as expert. They will come to you and take your services. That is the second thing. The third that I believe is creating an offer, because you have to create an irresistible offer so that they cannot say no to your offer. Okay, maybe again that same point I'm asking you, that if you are charging this amount of money, it's the value you are providing to them, it should be 10x, so that they feel okay, I'm getting a lot more with just fraction of this money. Okay, that's the third thing. This is my experience, I'm sharing this. There is a no shortcut, nothing's. Some of you it might take 90 days, some of you it might take 6 months, but you have to build your skill first. If you ask me, Sagar, what is your skill? I started with first Facebook Live, how to grow organically, how to monetize your brand with Facebook Live. Then I started teaching about, so since I am into coaching, I'm not into services. So what I teach people, the coaches or the organic or the marketers, those who want to grow their business using the power of Facebook organic methods. Facebook Live, Facebook group are there. So that is the value exchange I give to my clients, my customers. So similarly, you have to build your skill. There is no shortcut. Whatever, if you've seen any of my students got good, actually really worked hard to actually build that skill, and that skills will help you to make money. Now, the last, I would like to summarize something. There is a lot of questions still people are asking me, that I don't want to invest, but I wanted to make money. Even if they can invest in iPhones, they can invest in some any gadgets they want. Like I want this, they will find a way to make invest in that particular things, which is not resulting into making money. But when it comes to invest, you have to minimum in since I'm talking to Indian context to the audience. Uh, that's why I like the course or the anything that you really want, somebody is teaching that particular things, it will not more than 10,000 rupees. Within 10,000 rupees, I believe that you will get best resources to start your journey, start making money. Literally, people don't want to invest on themselves, but they can invest in engineering. They invest in MBAs like 10 lakhs, 15 lakhs. They can literally do that by just help of the family. But when it comes to building a skill that give them, maybe build a business, maybe give them uh, their whatever they are looking for, they don't want it. See, that is the biggest problem that I also believe, that people don't want to invest on themselves. So yeah, just closing note, that you have to build a skill. There is no shortcut or anything. If you are someone watching from one of our community, please comment below if you agree with this. Have you built, if you are making money, have you built your skill? Okay, type in the comment box. I really love to listen to your comments. And thank you so much for listening to me and watching me. And this is the hard truth, the real truth, that there is no shortcut. You have to work on, and at least give yourself at least 1 year time to explore the things. Do not just invest in like 4,000, 5,000, $10,000 courses and thinking that you will make $1 million. It is not possible. You have to build your skill, and people will invest you in that particular skill. I hope you liked it. Thank you so much for watching. Please do share who actually need to hear this, and they need to realize this. This is not the truth, that just by doing nothing, or just by doing some shortcut, it will make money. This is not possible. Thank you so much. Bye bye.